Okay, I don't know where to choose. That's my new one, new one.
Whoa, is that a hybrid? It's the Ahmed Mobile, you idiot. Just be careful parking into it.
Park careful, too.
Didn't hurt. Whatever you do, don't touch the red button. Got it. Touch the red button. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Jeff Dyer!
I'm gonna pick the blue one. There's one blue one, but I female. Okay. Here's the male and the female. See what they do. Oh.
South Africa, Australia, 3 tours of Europe and the UK. Now they're talking about taking me to China. But what?
Look at that.
China. All I know is if I do my show in China, there's a big chunk of my act I'm going to have to leave out. You'll recognize it when I do it here this evening. But it is interesting going to some of these foreign countries and doing press interviews because some of the reporters have done their homework and care, others just don't. For example, I was in London talking to a guy and he was like, alright, so, and ventriloquism. Have you eliminated every other possibility of employment? And I have to go, no. This is
Then no big deal.
I wanted to do anything else. I started
Huh.
I was 8 years old. I was in the 3rd grade.
Okay, wait.
1970. Had my first dummy. There's Mom.
I'm gonna cut this camera by.